Hey, what's up, guys? I'd like to apologize for the lack of content, but California has been scorched. I mean, I finally got a little break and I'm able to come out here and record something without choking on some smoke. I mean, it's been so bad. I literally almost died in my bedroom. I left the window open and all the smoke crept in at night. And that morning when I got up, my whole room was full of smoke. I was choking all night. I had a dream that the coronavirus finally got me. It was bad. And to make things worse, my stupid smoke alarm battery was dead. But I'm alive. You can probably hear it in my voice that that I've been trying to cough out the smoke. But anyways, today we're gonna be searching this 2003 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. This car was impounded from a security guard after he got pulled over for driving with a suspended license, having no registrations, no insurance, no plates, no nothing. Yeah, I know, it's ridiculous. I'm gonna search it for goodies, weapons, guns, equipment. Hopefully there's a biscuit in here. I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw this thing, I laughed at it, but then I looked inside. I was like, oof, yeah, this is mine. I mean, look at these wheels. They do not belong to this car. This is from like a 99 Crown Vic. It's got a nice spotlight. There's a wheel-in siren speaker in there. Looks like he has some sort of light system back there. We're gonna check out here in a bit. All right, let's start our search from the front and work my way to the back. It literally smells like a wood oven over here. I really do want to give a huge thanks to all the firefighters out there working their butts off, putting out these fires. I really wish I could join them, but I'm just not qualified. Look at this terrible wiring job. Look at this thing. The wire wraps around the brake pedal and the accelerator. Not good, buddy. Not good. I like this Panasonic dash camera. I do not believe that that's the right bracket right there, buddy. Look at this thing. It's driving around like this. And where's the wiring to it anyways? I guess it's just for looks. I don't know. He's a Crown Vic Auto fan, so I'm gonna go easy on him. Look at this. This is pretty cool. And this is a solar panel that connects all the way down to the cigarette port, which keeps the battery topped off at all times. Thought that was pretty cool. This beast only has 93,000 miles. That's super good for a 2003. Let's start her up. Now this car is lit up like a Christmas tree, but I'm gonna fix all that, no worries. Okay, let's look at its setup right here. Looks like there is a USB charging port right there. This is a wheel-in siren control box, which works. This is definitely my favorite part so far. This is a trunk tracker unit in Bearcat, also works. I did have to unplug some of this stuff because it was actually sparking on the way over here, which was a little too dangerous for me. And this Code 3 narrow stick controls the arrow stick back there, which I'll demonstrate in just a bit. It would also control this federal signal flasher thing. This is actually a strong magnet. He had these wires that would literally just go like this all the way down to here. But like I said, it was sparking, so I had to rip it off before the car caught on fire. Let me demonstrate it really quick. Okay, to save time, I hooked it up to my jump box, but check it out, super bright. So what do you guys think? It's a little old school, but some people may like it. Oh, sick. Nice. The first time I turned it on, these weren't flashing. That is freaking way cooler than I thought. Oh, that's sick. I like it. Gotta hook it back to the arrow stick soon. Put the antenna back on. See what that looks like. Looking pretty clean. Okay, now let me demonstrate the wheeling. This thing is extremely loud. That is literally too loud. Criminal, drop the weapon. Let's listen to it from the outside. I can't get over how loud that is. Now this thing was working. You could hear the local stations here. And then this is an eyewitness. This has something to do with this thing he was trying to set up. And then down here looks like some type of charging device. All right, let's take a look on the other side. Now this right here is a mini bat slash flashlight. 2-in-1. Pow! Motorola radio speaker. Ooh. This is a badge. It doesn't even fit in there. Sweet mother of goodness. We have a Motorola XTS 5000. Come on, turn on, turn on. Oh, damn it. You see that? Unprogrammed. Weak. Ooh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Haha, yep. It's the charger for it. Sweet. Let me just give you a little bit of advice. If you want people to take you serious, ditch the drugs, bro. This looks like a jawbreaker. Okay, I took all the goodies out of the center console. All right. Oh, didn't even notice this. Ion. Just cut that and test it out. Sick. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. We got a duty belt. What the heck, dude? I'm not even gonna lie. This looks like something Funny Man would wear. Let's see what you got in here. Tactical sporks. These are from K-Bar. That's funny. No handcuffs. Weak. Okay, so my memory card was full, so I just went and swapped it. It took me a minute, and it got a lot darker and a lot smokier. So hopefully you could still see. Found his tactical hand sanitizer, gloves. Oh man, there's no knife in here. This has got to be the cheapest, ugliest gun holster I ever seen. It's like nylon. Thing looks like it's about to rip off any minute. Crazy thing is that it's not even that late and it's super dark. Please be a bisque. What the heck? Oh. I gotta find something to hold this up. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That scared the crap out of me. Thought it was coming right down on my head. Ooh. Oh, that would have been all bad. Right off the top, I could tell this is an electric airsoft AR. Like this, so you hook up the battery right here. Maybe the guy was airsofter. Cat scanner box. It says squeeze to open. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. A joint, or what do you use? Is that what you call this, a joint? Remember what I said, guys. If you're trying to get somewhere, ditch the drugs. Empty. This is probably for this. Is that a Mustang? I thought that was a Ford Mustang sign for a second. Swear, bro. What the heck? Zapper. What the? This thing is super light. Oh, I'm scared to even pull the trigger on this thing. Zapper. Okay. Here goes nothing. What the? Oh, what the heck? Ah! Dude, this is some type of bootleg taser. That is hilarious. It's still scary though. I wish my lungs weren't hurting so bad. I would think this is funnier. This fake taser reminds me of the time that I was hired on to the security company, which I don't want to name, and I don't want to get them in trouble or anything, but they gave me a fake gun, a fake radio, and some real handcuffs. They gave me like this oversized uniform and just told me, go ahead and patrol here, patrol there. I didn't have any certifications or any knowledge, which is super sketchy, but bless their hearts, I know they meant well, and I really needed the money at the time, but thought I'd share that with you guys. So we got Officer Danny backup. We got the fake taser, and he's gonna tase my sister. Get her, get her.
Is it real?
No. Touch it.
Are you serious? You scared me. My heart is like, it's not real.
Go ahead, push it.
That is hilarious.
Put your tongue on it.
He said, who would have the best reaction? He's talking super loud. And you're like, wait, what are you guys talking about? And I'm like, oh my goodness.
I didn't even know what he wanted me to do.
Oh, that was scary.
Get him.